Alright guys, this is a video on the Vauxhall Zafira 2006, I think it's Zafira B, on the door cover removal. You only got 4 screws. First thing you need to do is remove this cover from there, and there's going to be 1 screw there. Then you quickly remove that with a little plastic tool, get under there, this will come off. I'm going to have the screw in there, and in there, and the other screw, the last one, is there. So once you undo them all, you need to get a little sharp tool behind that, lift it, pull it out, and all that holds that on, you need to press that in and pull the thing off, and it'll come out. Same way to do it up, get it in and lock it. I've done the job. I've done the window and the window regulator, the motor was knackered. Done, put the aftermarket bit on it. If you need any help on that, just let me know, comment below and I'll explain you how to do it. The owner tried to do this job and he just scratched all the interiors, he messed it all up. So now we're doing this, or I've done it. It's all good now. So just putting everything back together. Yeah, once you removed all the screws, you need a couple of plastic tools like that, or whatever you got, and start working your way in there after all the screws are out, and it will just unclip because it's all plastic clips that hold it. Once you unclip them all, pull it up, this needs to go up, you work it up, and you just need to disconnect the speaker that's in there. The door handle is just a little clip that you pull out, and then just unclip it and the whole door cover will come off, and then you need to do whatever you need to do. That's about it guys. If you got any questions, as I said, subscribe, like my videos, comment and share, and I'll help you as much as I can. Thank you.